Imagine you're in a heated argument. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and every part of you wants to shout. But what if you could control that moment? What if your emotions didn't control you? What if you could turn the tide? Today, I'm going to reveal a secret that could change everything for you. Something that can help you become more successful, calmer, and in control of your life. Let's dive into the emotional battle most people don't even know they're fighting, and how you can win it. Part 1. The power of emotional intelligence. Most people think of intelligence as being about your IQ, how much you know. But there's something much more important that most people overlook. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and the emotions of others. It's the key to unlocking a calmer, more successful you. It's about being able to stay calm in stressful situations and make better decisions under pressure. Think about the last time you lost control of your emotions. How did it affect your day, your relationships, your work? Emotional intelligence is the ability to master your emotions instead of letting them control you. Part 2. The emotionally intelligent person. Let me tell you about someone who mastered this secret, someone who turned their emotional weaknesses into their greatest strength. A man named Sam was always quick to anger. He'd snap at his colleagues, his boss, even his family. His relationships were strained, and his work life was falling apart. But then Sam discovered something life-changing. Instead of reacting right away, he learned to pause. He started to breathe, think, and reflect before he acted. Over time, Sam found that he was able to control his emotions in difficult situations, and he became much more focused, patient, and calm. In just a few months, his life completely changed. He became a better leader at work, improved his relationships, and felt in control of his future. Part 3. Master your emotions. Master your life now. Picture yourself in Sam's shoes. What would your life look like if you were able to control your emotions in every situation? If you could stay calm, focused, and positive no matter what life threw at you. Think about the last time you were stressed, anxious, or angry. What happened? Did it help you solve the problem? Or did it make things worse? Emotional intelligence isn't just about avoiding conflict, it's about improving every part of your life. When you learn to master your emotions, you don't just become more productive, you become a better version of yourself. Part 4. Improve your English through emotional control. And here's the real secret. Mastering your emotions can actually help you improve your English. When you're calm and in control, you can think clearly. You'll feel more confident to speak up, to make mistakes, and to learn without fear of judgment. Imagine trying to speak English in front of others. If you're nervous, anxious, or afraid, you might freeze or hesitate. But if you're emotionally intelligent, you'll be able to stay calm, speak with confidence, and keep learning without worrying about making mistakes. So, are you ready to master your emotions and take control of your life? What's stopping you from becoming emotionally intelligent and speaking English with confidence? It all starts with one decision. Take control today. Stay tuned for more tips on mastering emotions and improving your English. Our next video.